Hello everyone. Here we are going to perform the experiment. Our experiment is to determine the efficiency by load test of a single phase transformer. Here this is a single phase transformer. First we are going to calculate the efficiency. So we need our apparatus requirement. The apparatus requirement is this is a single phase auto transformer, that is 0 to 260 volt. The range of this auto transformer is 0 to 260 volt. And second one is wattmeter. The range of this wattmeter is 0 to 750 watt. And this is a single phase transformer. The load of this transformer is, here we can see that the voltage is 230 volt, the ampere is 4.3 ampere and 50 hertz, the 1 kVA of the load of this transformer. Here the voltmeter is, the range of this voltmeter is 0 to 300 volt, and this is a ammeter, and ammeter is 0 to 10 ampere. And we have the load box, that is a 1 kilowatt load box. We can see here lamp load, that is a purely resistive load. We are using that 10 watt, 100 watt, 10 bulb, that is a 1000 watt, that is 1 kilowatt. Now we are going to see how the circuit is connected. Here the primary winding of this transformer is connected with series with this wattmeter, and the terminal of this wattmeter is connected to the auto transformer, and the connection of this one is connected to our power supply, that is 230 volt 50 hertz. And the secondary side of the transformer is connected with the parallel with the voltmeter and in series with the ammeter, and also the secondary terminal of this transformer is connected to our load box, that is a lamp load. Now for this one, if you are going to calculate the efficiency of a transformer, the efficiency of the transformer is power consumption on load side upon the input power into 100, that is a efficiency of transformer. Now the auto transformer, first what is the procedure of this experiment, how can we proceed to perform this experiment? Here we are slowly we are increasing the voltage from 0 to 230 volt, means we are maintaining the voltage as an input voltage, that is 230 volt. Then we will see the wattmeter. When load will be on, then it will show the power, and that by we are giving the load by this putting switch on. If we will put this one load, then it will show the wattmeter, the load of this transformer, and finally we will see the voltmeter and ammeter. From here we will calculate P2, and this will give the P1. The efficiency is P2 upon P1 into 100. We will proceed and we will take 2 or 3 readings, then we will get to know that how much this efficiency error is coming. By taking the average of error, we will finish this experiment.